Alright, today I want to talk about pumping a system down. Basically, in case you don't know, pumping a system down is pretty much going to get all the Freon into the condenser. Why would you want to do that? Really, it's going to save you time because you don't have to get the recovery machine out and recover the Freon. And it's going to save money, especially if it's an MO99 system or a 410 system like this, where you've got a leak anywhere from the kingpins right here on. If you need to work on this, and it's a 410A or an MO99 system, if you recover the Freon, you no longer can use that Freon because it's a mix. So the only time you can recover that Freon and use it is R22. So this is going to save time, even on an R22 system, of having to go recover the Freon. You can put it right back into here, and I'll show you. You can open it back up, and you'll go on your way. But by bringing it in here, you close it off. You're able to, if you have a leak anywhere from here on to the air handler, meaning the metering device, anything in the air handler, all the way to right here, you can work on all this. Pull a vacuum after you're done, after you open the system up, after you braze the lines back together or close the system back up or whatever. You can then pull a vacuum on it and open the system back up. You don't have to, and you haven't recovered. So you kind of save a little time, and you're also going to save a little money by not having to recover and then put in new MO99 or 410A. I'm going to go ahead and turn the system on, and I'll be right back. Alright, so we got the system going. It's cooling. See our pressures. Again, this is a 410A, so we're going to have a little bit higher pressures than you would for MO99 or R22. Basically, you're going to take the kingpins off the top here. Because the high side here is pushing out this way, suction line, the compressor is pretty much acting like its own recovery tank anyways. So what you want to do is, because this is going to the air handler, you pretty much want to just close this off. So I'm going to go ahead and close this off, and we'll watch the system. It's going to take a couple turns to close this kingpin. I've closed it off. It's totally seated. Compressor's slowly bringing all the Freon in the condenser, but I can't get out because I closed it. Actually, what I usually do is I start, because it takes a little while. You can hear that compressor starting to knock, which is pretty famous for a 410. You can actually get it into a vacuum almost. tell by the gauges there. Getting down. You're almost out of vacuum. So I go ahead and close it off. That's about as much as you're going to get in there. Close it off all together. Pull the disconnect. So at this time, everything's closed off. You can then open the system up. You know, let's say it was leaking right here. You can braze on it. Do all the normal things you do, and repair it from there. And basically, you're going to do the same thing in reverse. You're going to actually open this high side up. You'll see the pressures take off. This is after we've already fixed it and brazed it and did our stuff. I'll let that open that up. You know, make sure you pull a good vacuum on it, get all the non-condensables out of it, all the moisture, and then that's when you open it up. You hear it going back into the system, and then turn the system back on, and you're good to go. It's fixed without having to get the recovery tank and do the repair. That's it.